EVs, or electric vehicles, are vehicles that are either partially or fully powered by electricity. They have a battery instead of a gasoline tank and an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine. There are several types of EVs, all powered a little differently. Battery electric vehicles. These are fully electric vehicles that are solely powered by rechargeable electric batteries. They produce no tailpipe emissions and have no combustion engine. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. These vehicles are powered by an electric motor as well as a small combustion engine. They have an all-electric range from 20 to 60 miles and can be charged at a charging station. Hybrid electric vehicles. These vehicles have an internal combustion engine and an electric motor that assists only at low speeds. The battery is charged either by the combustion engine or through recuperation when braking. Fuel cell electric vehicles. These vehicles use electric motors. The electricity is generated in fuel cells and can be stored in a small buffer battery. Fuel cell vehicles require hydrogen as fuel. The popularity of electric bikes and scooters, driven by their affordability and ease of access, represents a new chapter in micromobility. On the opposite end of the EV spectrum are e-trucks. The automotive future is electric. McKinsey projects that worldwide demand for EVs will grow six-fold from 2021 through 2030. Thank you for watching.